you know about Sunspot Hill? Is this giant orange ball about to roll down that tree-lined hill? No, because the giant orange ball is actually the Sun. Our solar system's central star was captured rising beyond a hill on Earth 12 days ago, complete with a delightfully detailed foreground. The Sun's disk showed 5 sunspots, quite a lot considering that during the solar minimum in solar activity of the past few years, most days showed no spots. A close look at the hill, Sierra del Cid in Perder, Spain, reveals not only silhouetted pine trees, but silhouetted people, by coincidence 3 brothers of the photographer. The Treason brothers were about 3.5 kilometers away during the morning of the well-planned, single-exposure image. The video started at the September 2010 equinox with the terminator line being vertical. As the Earth revolved around the Sun, the terminator was seen to tilt in a way that provides less daily sunlight to the northern hemisphere, causing winter in the north. As the year progressed, the March 2011 equinox arrived halfway through the video, followed by the terminator tilting the other way, causing winter in the southern hemisphere, and summer in the north. The captured year ends again with the September equinox, concluding another of billions of trips the Earth has taken, and will take, around the Sun.
For daily video updates, subscribe to Only Facts.